What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. My favorite toothbrush just got a major update. In this video, I'll be partnering with Laifen to take a look at their brand new Wave Pro electric toothbrush. I've been a fan of Laifen stuff for a while now. From the new transparent black design to the pro level cleaning technology, they really didn't hold back with this one. Let's go ahead and get started. Here's the thing, I've been using an electric toothbrush for years, and like a lot of people, I kind of just assumed that because it was electric, I was getting a good clean. But the more I started reading into this, the more I realized that most electric toothbrushes, whether they rotate or just vibrate, they're still relying on you to do the actual sweeping motion. The motor just makes the bristles buzz, but the technique, that still relies on you. And if you're anything like me, you're trying to brush your teeth at 7 a.m., half asleep, probably pressing way too hard because you think more pressure means cleaner, which it doesn't. It actually damages your gums over time. I personally have some sensitivity issues from brushing too hard and have to use a special type of toothpaste, so this is something I personally deal with. The other issue is that most brushes just have a few preset modes that don't really adapt to what you're doing. You get clean, sensitive, maybe even a whitening mode, and they just run at a fixed intensity. There's no real intelligence there. The first thing that really stands out about the Wave Pro is what Laifen calls wave motion technology. And here's what makes this different from anything else that I've ever tested. This brush combines two things at the same time. You get both oscillation and vibration together, the brush head sweeping back and forth at over 60 degrees while simultaneously vibrating. So the brush is literally doing the technique automatically in both directions at 66,000 movements per minute in dual motor mode. They're calling this the world's first oscillation plus vibration system. Based on everything that I've seen on the market, I haven't found any other toothbrush that's doing this exact combo. It's not a spinning brush, it's not just sonic, it's genuinely a different motion, and you can actually feel the difference as you're using it. Another thing that I really liked about the Wave Pro is the brush heads. You get two in the box, a Pro plaque removal head and a Pro whitening head. Both are made from food-grade materials, and the design is actually built to get in between your teeth, not just hit the flat surface, which is what most toothbrushes are designed to do. Now here's where it gets interesting from a tech standpoint. The Wave Pro has a smart pressure sensor built right into the handle, so if you're pressing too hard, which again, I definitely do, the brush actually alerts you in real time. This is huge because brushing with too much pressure can cause both gum line recession and can remove protective enamel from your teeth. That's not just a nice to have feature for someone like me who's dealt with sensitivity from brushing too hard. That's genuinely useful. There's also a companion app that connects over Bluetooth. Inside the app, you've got a brushing timer, brushing reports so you can track your habits over time, and two separate cleaning modes, a daily and a deep clean mode. You switch between them by clicking the button 3 times, which is simple enough that you'll actually remember to use it. Or you can change both modes and customize both intensity and oscillation within the application. Another thing that I thought was pretty clever is the wireless charging stand. This thing also charges your phone, so it's pulling double duty on your counter, and it's super easy to keep clean, which sounds minor until you've had a gross toothbrush base before. Some of you are probably wondering how this compares to the original Laifen Wave, because that brush has been really popular, and I know a lot of people out there already have one. So let me break down the actual differences. The most significant upgrades for me are the smart pressure sensor and the wireless charging stand, neither of which are on the original Wave. The battery life also goes from 30 days on the Wave up to 70 days on the Pro, which is a pretty massive jump, and the waterproof rating moves from IPX7 to IPX8. So the Pro can handle deeper submersion. You also have that deep clean mode on the Wave Pro, so you're getting a more thorough clean overall. The original Wave starts at $79.99 and the Pro starts at $99.99, so you're looking at a $20 difference for quite a few meaningful upgrades. If you already have the Wave and it's working fine for you, you're still in good shape. But if you're buying for the first time and you're due for an upgrade, I would definitely go with the Pro. I've been using the Wave Pro for a while now, and the experience that I've had is that my mouth actually feels different after brushing, very similar to that post-dentist clean feeling. I wasn't expecting to notice that clear of a difference, but I seriously did. One thing that I really like about the Wave Pro is just how quiet it is. It runs at 55 decibels, which is about as loud as a normal conversation. If you share a bathroom or you're traveling and don't want to wake somebody up at 6 a.m., then that definitely matters. And then there's the battery life on this, which is also amazing. You're able to get up to 70 days of brushing on a single charge, like I mentioned earlier, and that's based on two 2-minute sessions per day. I haven't had to think about charging this thing since I started using it, The dual 900 milliamp hour batteries are doing some serious work here. When quick spin dry mode is enabled, the brush head automatically begins cleaning when tilted downwards and quickly shakes off excess water, preventing bacterial growth. With bristle protection enabled, the toothbrush can recognize its orientation and automatically adjust the brush head after entering the sleep mode. Let's talk about the actual value you're getting here, because there are 3 different versions of the Wave Pro depending on the material. The ABS plastic version comes in at $99.99, the aluminum alloy steps it up to $119, and then the stainless steel or transparent version, which is what I have, is $129.99. When you think about what you're getting, the dual motor tech, 2 Pro brush heads, the smart pressure sensor, app connectivity, a wireless charging stand that also charges your phone, and 70 days of battery life, I think that's a solid value for what this thing does. This isn't a $40 toothbrush, it's a proper piece of tech. Overall, I have to say that I'm genuinely impressed with the Laifen Wave Pro. I didn't think I needed a smarter toothbrush until I tried this one, and the Oscillation Plus vibration system is something you can actually feel working. The smart features are useful rather than just being there for the spec sheet. The battery life means you're basically never thinking about charging this, and it looks great sitting on your counter. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can pick one of these up for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.